Wow, friends! President Biden has just released a new announcement. There are new relief programs available right now to help Americans facing financial difficulties, all caused by this crisis. State governors are also working with Congress to pass another round of stimulus checks. So friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video for the latest stimulus news. I will also be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. If you would like to enter any of the giveaways, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember, friends, that the more often you comment below a keyword from a video, the greater your chance of winning the $75 gift card.
And I also call for a cap on the price of insulin, which 200,000 American children rely on because they have type 2 diabetes at $35 a month. It costs $10 to make the insulin. They make a significant profit instead of the average price of about $640 a month. Think of the difference it will make in millions of American families, like the family I met with in Virginia about 3 weeks ago, struggling every day, every single month to afford their son's insulin. And on this and other issues, I've laid out specific proposals to Congress to bring down the cost of everyday costs many American families face. And that's in addition to the work my administration has already done to lower prices. Another reason why prices are up for products people need relates to whether or not the manufacturer has access to all the materials they need to build a product. Think of the materials you need to build a house. If you can't get the materials from the ship to shore, from the shore to the home, the prices are going to go up.
During a press conference today, President Biden discussed the rising prices and inflation rate. Many economists have criticized President Biden as inflation has risen to 8.5%. That is the fastest 12-month pace since the year 1981. A news release from the Republican National Committee this week blamed the president for causing the worst inflation in 40 years, seeking to turn the debate over the economy against his opponents 6 months before the midterm congressional elections. President Biden and his top White House aides have insisted that extreme policy ideas from Republicans would make inflation worse, not any better. During a speech at the White House, President Biden said, "The bottom line is this: Americans have a choice right now between two paths, reflecting two very different sets of values. My plan attacks inflation and grows the economy by lowering costs for working families, giving workers well-deserved raises. It reduces the deficit by historic levels and making big corporations and the very wealthiest Americans pay their fair share." By contrast, Biden told reporters that the Republican policies would help the wealthiest Americans and big corporations while leaving working families to bear the brunt of cost increases. Biden delivered his remarks today as the next economic report is expected to show even higher prices, while the Consumer Price Index had said that the report could show that inflation cooled somewhat from March. Most economists still expect the report to show inflation running above 8%. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen has told the Senate committee that she remained concerned about rising prices in the United States, and that despite some predictions that inflation had peaked, it was still not clear when prices would moderate, and shifting consumption patterns in the United States as important variables. While the president's ability to tackle inflation is limited, the rising cost has become a talking point for Republicans and an issue for Biden, whose approval ratings have slumped. Republicans have sought to lay blame for inflation on the Biden administration and Democrats, viewing it as a winning issue ahead of the midterm elections. Republicans have pointed to the $1.9 trillion crisis relief bill that Congress passed last year, which extended stimulus payments and jobless benefits, while pumping billions of dollars to states and cities. at a time when the economy was already recovering. The Biden administration has blamed external factors for inflation, such as a crisis, supply chain disruptions, and it argued that Republicans are to blame for the stimulus money that was approved during the previous administration. The Biden administration has also accused companies of making matters worse by gouging prices to pad their profits. Biden has also claimed credit for bringing down the federal deficit and has promoted raising taxes on corporations and the affluent, saying they have not paid their fair share. He has also blamed energy companies for profiteering without increasing production. So, my friends, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think that President Biden is doing enough to reduce inflation? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Millions of residents of Georgia will be due a tax refund after Georgia Governor Brian Kemp signed a bill allowing $1.1 billion in additional refunds because of a state revenue surplus. According to the Georgia Department of Revenue, Peach State residents who filed for their 2020 and 2021 taxes are eligible for a rebate from the state's tax surplus. Governor Brian Kemp recently approved payments based on tax filing status. Single filers or filers who are married filing separately will receive $250. Head of households will expect $375. And then married couples who file jointly will receive $500. If money is owed to the state in the form of taxes or delinquent child support payments, for example, the amounts received may be lower. Georgia residents will expect the amount added onto their tax refund or in a separate payment if they filed before Governor Kemp signed the bill into law. Friends, the key word for this video is Australia. If you would like to enter tomorrow's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos. And then comment below this keyword, which is Australia, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And friends, do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, my friends. Well, my wonderful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you once again for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. To say thank you, friends, I'm giving away Walmart gift cards every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. To enter any of the giveaways, all you have to do is click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of any video of mine that you watch. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Tuesday.